Obelisk. A four-sided stone pillar that tapers to a point. Set up as a monument. Examples. The obelisk in the center of the park was built to honor the city's first leader. In Egypt, many ancient obelisks have carvings that tell stories about kings. Obese. Obese means very overweight. A person is called obese when they have too much body fat, usually more than what is healthy. Example sentences. The doctor said that Rohan is obese and should start doing regular exercise. The cat became obese because it ate too much every day. She is trying to lose weight because she doesn't want to become obese. Obey. Obey means to follow rules, commands, or instructions. When you obey someone, you do what they tell you. Examples. Children should obey their parents. You must obey the traffic rules while driving. The dog obeys its owner when she calls it. Obfuscate. Obfuscate means to make something unclear, confusing, or difficult to understand on purpose. Example sentences. The company tried to obfuscate the truth by giving complicated explanations. He used big technical words to obfuscate the real issue. The instructions were so confusing that they only obfuscated the process. Obituary. An obituary is a notice or short article in a newspaper or online that tells people someone has died. It usually includes the person's name, age, life story, and funeral details. Example sentences. The newspaper published an obituary for the famous writer who passed away yesterday. Her family wrote a beautiful obituary to honor her life. I read his obituary online and learned about his achievements. Object. The word object has two common meanings. Object, noun. A thing you can see or touch. Examples. The table is a large wooden object. She found a shiny object on the beach. As a verb, to disagree. I object to your decision because it is unfair. Many people objected to the new rule. Objectify. Objectify means to treat a person like an object instead of a human being with feelings. It usually means not respecting someone and seeing them only for their looks or for some use. Example sentences. It is wrong to objectify people based on their appearance. Some advertisements objectify women by showing them only as attractive objects. He felt hurt because his classmate objectified him and didn't respect his feelings. Objection. An objection is a statement that shows disagreement. When you have an objection, you are saying you do not accept something or you are against it. Example sentences. I have no objection to your plan. She raised an objection during the meeting. The lawyer made an objection in court. Objectionable. Objectionable means something that people do not like, find offensive, or think is wrong or unacceptable. Example sentences. The teacher removed the objectionable words from the story. Many people found the movie objectionable because of its rude scenes. His behavior at the party was objectionable and upset everyone. Objective. The word objective has two common meanings. Objective, noun. A goal, aim, or something you want to achieve. Examples. Her main objective is to improve her English. The objective of this lesson is to teach new vocabulary. Objective, adjective. To be fair, not emotional, and based on facts, not personal feelings. Example sentences. A good judge must be objective and fair. We should make an objective decision based on facts.